Chris Wall here at Eide Lincoln to show you the 2013 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. The MKZ Hybrid is redesigned for the 2013 model year and it's really looking good. It's got some state-of-the-art hybrid technology that lets it achieve 45 miles per gallon highway, 45 miles per gallon city. The technology that's being used is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery that can let you achieve up to 62 miles per gallon fully electric. On the back side, you can see the signature Lincoln LED light bar. The LED lights will illuminate up to 10 times faster and are more efficient than the traditional light bulb. Also new for 2013, you can see the chrome exhaust chrome exhaust tips are molded into the bumper, really giving the MKZ a great design. On the inside of the MKZ, you can see we have intelligent access with push button start. All you do is have the key fob in your pocket. You don't have to fumble for your key, and your doors will intelligently open up for you. Also all new is the interior, completely redesigned for the 2013 model year. You'll notice the biggest thing, no buttons. Pretty much everything in the vehicle can be done through the 8-inch touch display, Lincoln's motto. Use the display, put everything else away, including the shifter. You'll notice that even the shift knob is gone, and you start and operate the vehicle through the buttons located conveniently on the dash. Really some great technology, and the best part is the hybrid costs no the hybrid is brought to you at no additional cost. So no additional cost for the hybrid technology, which is absolutely excellent. So give us a call to schedule your test drive in the all-new 2013 Lincoln MKZ today.